That is so cool. Ryan, the Bread and Roses Bakery might be open.
Well, let's go look.
Yeah. Such a cool mural. Look at that schoolie. Are they closed?
Friday, Saturday, Sunday only.
Balls.
Closed today.
Looks cute. Oh well, bummer. Oh, my back! I didn't click them. Take three? Take three?
Take 26.
Yes!
Woohoo! Oh, look at it go up. The mist from the blowhole.
Oh, yeah. Wow, that's cool.
Yeah, you want to go back
That was a good one.
You want to go back down there?
Yeah.
See?
Yeah. Try to get closer. This is a really good view, though. Oh! Whoa! That was a good one.
Yeah.
We should go down. Yeah.
Yeah, let's go down there.
Yeah, we should go down there.
If you can hear that, but that whistling sound is the wind running through these power lines out here.
It's really disconcerting.
There's the lighthouse up on the hill. Oh, it's nice down here.
Yeah.
There's no wind.
Oh, look at the iron oxide in the rocks.
Oh
I don't know
yeah.
if that's lichen or...
Yeah, I don't know, but it's orange.
Yeah, it's very orange.
This is looking south, so the wind is coming out of the south, obviously, I guess. Because we're almost completely blocked. Oh, lighthouses always have the best views.
That's incredible.
There's the lighthouse. This one is pretty picturesque.
Yeah.
All right, we're about to walk through this section Right now we're shielded by this hill, but
look at the way those flower stems are vibrating.
It's a cold wind, you can tell. They're all shivering.
I'm shivering.
Alright, we're about to go out to a section that's pretty exposed. Let's see if this gimbal can hold up to it. If it gets too much pressure, it'll just, on the motors, it'll just give out. So here we go. I want to go look at the ocean. It's so turbulent looking. This place has a welcome center to check in for tours. And some kind of radio relay tower. Foundation for an old building of some sort. Oil room or fuel room, generator, something. And here's the actual lighthouse tower. The speed of this lens is fairly slow. The rotation speed, so I'm guessing the interval was pretty high between flashes on this one. You can see the old Fresnel lens up there. Slowly turning. And then a small building down below attached to it. These are really neat. They're all brick. This looks like it's made up to be like a museum. Some pretty good views back there.
No wonder they needed a lighthouse here, though. Look at all those rocks.
Yeah. So I looked it up. This lighthouse is the oldest standing lighthouse in Oregon. It was built in 1870, and there were 2 keepers' houses, but they were up by the lighthouse. Also, because there was no good road out here when they built it, they decided to hire somebody local to make the bricks. So they ordered 250,000 bricks from a local brick maker, instead of paying the cost to transport them from San Francisco. I don't think all of them in the lighthouse came from the local brick maker, but at least like 80 or 100,000 of them did. This is where the houses were, behind the lighthouse. So the lighthouse is here, and the keepers' houses were out that direction. And the primary purpose of this lighthouse was navigation marker because of all the reefs and all the rocks out here. So it just helped mark people's position as they went up the coast. That's what I found out. And then there used to be Coast Guard buildings out over here somewhere.
I think that's one of them over there.
It could be that's, yeah. The fact that they have a greeting center, that could be one of the original buildings from the Coast Guard. Not sure. But the Coast Guard took over all these lighthouses when the lighthouse, what was it?
Guild?
Association? I don't remember what the service, lighthouse service, something like that, that the government was running. When that ended, they handed them over to the Coast Guard. And now a lot of them are state parks. All right, should we head back?